In this video, we're going to replace the intake VVT solenoid located here on our front valve cover. This sensor here is also located on the back valve cover, right here. With your hood open, you want to go ahead and identify the negative side of that battery. That's this one right here. Let's go ahead and use our 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen and disconnect the ground side. Slide that terminal off and set that aside. With your hood open, you now want to go ahead and pull off the engine cover. Gently going to tug upward. This is disconnecting the posts from our rubber grommets on the bottom side here. Go ahead and set that cover aside. Locate the connector, press in on this little spring tab, pinch, and pull that connector off. Disconnect this harness with this clip. You want to release the pressure on this retainer and pull this up and off. So you're going to use your pocket screwdriver, press out on this little plastic tab and pull this off of the bracket right here. This is going to allow us to get to the 10mm bolt on the back side here, holding our sensor in place. Using our 10mm socket and our ratchet, let's go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt. I'm going to go ahead and take this sensor, I'm going to rotate this a little bit. And we're going to try and work this out of our valve cover here. Twist and pull, and you remove your sensor. I'm going to take your sensor, slide this into place. Now there is an O-ring right here, so you want to go ahead and work that into place and push that in. You'll feel that seat in. Once that's fully seated, go ahead and install your bolt. I like to thread that in as far as you can by hand. And snug that down. I'm going to go ahead and torque the bolt down to 7 foot-pounds. It's not a lot, but you want to be careful because this is aluminum and you don't want to crack or strip this. Once that's torqued, go ahead and take our harness here, press this back onto our retaining bracket, install our connector. We're going to install our engine cover, line up our rubber grommets with the post on our engine. Take your ground terminal, line this up, and let's go ahead and snug down that nut.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.